Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm a part of a YouTube hop organized by Conny, who is the daily life of creativity here on YouTube. The idea was to show our favorite tools, and here I am showing you one of my favorite tools that I've recently discovered. I'm using dies. Now I realize this isn't a new tool and it's something that has been around for a long time. I have had my Cuttlebug here for years, really a long time. And it wasn't until In Love of Art Shop reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in using their products to work with and make videos for. So I did a collaboration with them, and it's really actually become one of my favorite things to craft with. I am making here some handmade embellishments. Now these are going to be some shaker snow globes, and I reused some packaging, and I'm using an Echo Park Christmas collection to take papers and stickers from to create these little snow globes, and I find them so much fun. Now, another tool I am going to show you, I am using right here as well, which is another one of my new favorites, and that is this glitter art glue. Now, if you look at this glitter art glue, you can use any glue to refill the bottle. The main key is the tip. I ordered the tip off of Amazon, and I have to say that no matter what kind of glue you're using, if it's a brand name or not, there's Barely Arts glue as well. But the main thing is that if you are using that fine tip on your glue bottle, it makes the world of difference because you don't want to put too much glue on, and it has wonderful precision as well. So between the glitter art glue with a fine tip, which I have been refilling with other bottles of glue that I've got off Amazon, or the Cuttlebug and die cuts, like these are some of my most loved and most used tools right now. So here I'm giving you a demonstration on how I'm going to make my shaker pocket. This foam piece that I have here is from Michaels. It is it's single-sided adhesive. So there is a sticker on one side and foam on the other. So I will use glue to stick the foam to the paper, but then I can easily peel off the sticker that comes on the foam on the other side to create a nice little shaker for my snow globe here. So I'm taking a set of sequins that was gifted to me by Tova, and she sent this to me last Christmas in this beautiful little star, and it's such a fun mix already done up for my shaker. So now all I need to do is adhere the top to the base, and I've created this fun little shaker. And here I've discovered that I actually glued it upside down, and when I make my other samples I don't repeat this mess. So if I had done it properly, then I would have been able to peel that off and stick the other top on. Now because I put it on the wrong way, I have to go in with my glue again, but I fixed that mistake after I did the first one wrong, and all the rest I have done correctly. So I create this little shaker here. I also just want to mention while I have you here is that this is a collaboration with a lot of different paper crafty women on YouTube, and I will leave a link to all of the women who are participating in this tool challenge down below, and you can go by and check out their channels. I will show you here, I've pulled in another die from In Love of Art Shop. This was a bow set, and I'm going to just quickly put together a nice little bow to add to the snow globe, and it just goes to show how wonderful this sort of tool is because there's such a great variety. I've had so many fun dies lately that I've really enjoyed playing with, from butterflies to flowers, and I'm really getting good use out of this tool. Now I will tell you that it's pretty basic, But the thing that I love about the Cuttlebug and the dies is its simplicity. And you can get something fancy like a silhouette or a cricket, which you can have as an investment that can pay for itself, really. I know a lot of crafters who use their electronic cutters religiously. But for me, as a paper crafter, I like to craft to get away from electronic devices, to get away from computers, and I like to be portable. I don't want to be plugged in. So the idea of being able to just pull out a little machine that rolls through and die cuts little shapes is just so relaxing to me. I know there's a lot of really fancy and fun things that you can do with the electronic cutters, and for some people it's a godsend. I have friends and they can't really scrapbook without that tool. But for me, I like the getting away from using electronics and just making things with paper, glue, scissors, my hands. So that's why it makes this like one of my favorite tools. So here I'm showing you how I get the little pieces out. So contrary to what you might think, I actually will push a bow, like the paper bow, into the die to help it pop out because it kind of curls up the edges, or you can come around from the other side and you can poke through. There's tiny little holes there. But I put this little bow together, and I'm going to come in and add some pretty little puffy stickers. And I have to say, like, the puffy stickers for this collection are so tiny and perfect for a little project like this that I really enjoyed working with them, and I had a lot of fun. I have to say, these are not my traditional colors. I don't typically go for your standard red and green Christmas look. I tend to go more toward the fun, cutesy collection. Okay, I am going to make some more now that you've had a chance to sort of see the process of how this works, and then I will show you all of the finished products. Okay, so I've came in and made 2 more. So with this one, you can see I actually used a really pretty background paper. It was a mason jar with some flowers on top, but it looks really very pretty in the background there. And then I did use the bottom part, and I popped up this, you can see there, I popped up a little base, a little wooden base on this one, and I added a bow, and then I put just that little French horn. So that's cute there. And then I came in with another one. I did a green background, put this little flower that I have made, some stickers. I love how these puffy stickers have tiny little words that say like Merry Christmas, just perfect for this kind of application. So there we go. There are the 3 really cute little snow globes, and I was actually thinking about this. What I would do for the next one is I would actually use clear on both sides so that you could actually see through the whole thing. And I'm just going to tell you, I reuse packaging. So this is what I did for the other ones. I took this really hard plastic and I used my die cut to cut out this hard plastic. I used the side that didn't have stickers on it. And actually this side probably could peel off the sticker pretty good and make another one. But it worked out really nicely to be able to use a stiffer plastic. And if I was going to do both sides with that hard plastic, I definitely would want, like, if I was going for that see-through look completely, I definitely would want to use a hard plastic on both sides. I did have to go through, even though I ran this really thick plastic, this packaging, through my die cutter a couple of times, it still didn't cut all the way through. I had to just trim around with my scissors. All I did have to basically follow the line. I didn't actually have to cut, and it gave me exactly, where the line should be. It came apart pretty easily. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I encourage you to go down and check out all of the other girls who participated in this tool challenge. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.